Do you know that there's a difference between a power of attorney and a deed of conveyance? Let me tell you. So a power of attorney is basically a document authorizing another person to do an act on your behalf. So the power of attorney in this situation would be probably you're not disposed to do a particular act and then you give it to somebody else. For example, my lawyer, please help me and sell all this my land for me. Or my lawyer, please help me to sell my property for me. What we do in that instance is we'll draft the power of attorney stating that you are giving me the right to sell that property for you or to sell that land for you. Now, on the other hand, a deed of conveyance is a legal document, a legal title document that conveys your rights, all rights and your ownership in that property or on that land to the next person you are giving it to. You see the difference? Because a power of attorney is something that can be revoked at any time. The donor can revoke it at any time whatsoever. While a deed of conveyance cannot be revoked. Once you have paid the amount for the money and then the owner of the land has sold it to you and signed the document, that is it. Last week, a client reached out to me saying that he wanted me to prepare a deed of conveyance for him on a landed property he was about to buy. And the first question I asked him was, do you have the title documents for the person that is selling the land to you? And what he sent to me was a power of attorney. And I advised him that a power of attorney does not grant the person any ownership or any title to the land. It's just a document allowing him to do certain acts on the land. And that was it. I advised him not to even pay for the land or anything, and that was the end of the transaction. So before you buy that land, always make sure that the title documents on that land is a deed of conveyance or maybe a certificate of occupancy and not a power of attorney. Make sure you involve your lawyers in all landed transactions so that you won't run into trouble.